Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 16 for Standard 12, Part 2, Chapter number 1, Differentiation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 1.2, question number 6, 3. Cot inverse x cube solution. Let y is equal to cot inverse x cube. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to d dx cot inverse x cube is equal to derivative of cot inverse is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x cube raised to 2 into derivative of x cube and is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x raised to 6 and derivative of x cube is equal to 3x square and therefore dy dx is equal to minus 3x square upon 1 plus x raised to 6. Okay. Question number 4. Cot inverse 4 raised to x. So let y is equal to cot inverse 4 raised to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to derivative of cot inverse is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus 4 raised to x square into derivative of 4 raised to x is equal to minus 1 plus 4 raised to x raised to 2 means square into derivative of 4 raised to x is equal to 4 raised to x log 4 and therefore dy dx is equal to minus 4 raised to x into log 4 upon 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. Okay. Question number 5. Tan inverse root x. Solution. Let y is equal to tan inverse root x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to d dx tan inverse root x is equal to, first differentiate tan inverse, so that is equal to 1 upon 1 plus root x square and derivative of root x. So is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x into derivative of this is equal to 1 upon root 2x and into derivative of x, but that is 1. So here derivative is complete. So is equal to 1 upon 2 root x into 1 plus x. Okay. Question number 6. Sin inverse root 1 plus x square upon 2. Okay. Let's y is equal to sin inverse root 1 plus x square upon 2. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to d dx sin inverse root 1 plus x square upon 2 is equal to derivative of sin inverse is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus square of this. So that is equal to 1 plus x square upon 2. Okay. So this simplification, try to understand. D dx of what? This root 1 plus x square upon 2. And then you simplify, that is equal to 1 upon root 2 minus 1 minus x square upon 2 into 2 raised 2 into root 1 plus x square upon 2 and derivative of 1 plus x square upon 2. So is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square upon 2. This you simplify into 1 upon 2 root 1 plus x square upon 2 into this 2 derivative of 1 upon 1 plus x square is equal to 2x. So this 2 and this 2 get cancelled and that is equal to only x, and therefore derivative is equal to x upon 2, this 2 you take here, 2 root 1 minus x raised to 4 upon 4, okay, and is equal to this simplification you try to understand, x upon 2 into root 1 minus x raised to 4 upon 2. So these 2 and these 2 get cancelled, and therefore dy dx is equal to x upon root 1 minus x raised to 4. Okay. Question number 7. Cos inverse 1 minus x square. Solution. Let y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square. Differentiate with respect to x square. So dy dx is equal to d dx cos inverse 1 minus x square is equal to derivative of this minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square into derivative of 1 minus x square. So this is equal to minus under root 1 minus, make square of this, 1 minus 2x square plus x raised to 4 into derivative of this is equal to minus 2x, or minus minus become plus 2x upon under root 1 minus 1 plus 2x square minus x raised to 4. So this minus 1, this plus 1 get cancelled, and is equal to 2x upon root 2x square minus x raised to 4, and is equal to 2x upon, here you take x square common, so root x square into bracket 2 minus x square is equal to 2x upon, so this x square you take outside as a x root 2 minus x square, this x and this x get cancelled, and therefore dy dx is equal to 2 upon root 2 minus x square. You can solve this example by other method, substituting x is equal to sine, okay, so 1 minus sine square, that is equal to cos, and that is a simple method, okay. So you try this by using x is equal to sine x, substitute here, so this is equal to 1 minus sine square x is equal to cos x, so cos inverse cos x is equal to x, and then you that you differentiate, okay. Question number 8. Sin inverse x raised to 3 upon 2. Let y is equal to sin inverse x raised to 3 upon 2. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to d dx sin inverse x raised to 3 upon 2. So derivative of sin inverse is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x raised to 3 upon 2 square, and into derivative of x raised to 3 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x cube into 3 upon 2 raised to x raised to 1 upon 2. So this is equal to, therefore dy dx is equal to 3 root x upon 2 under root 1 minus x cube. Question number 9. Cos cube into cos inverse x cube. Now solution, let y is equal to cos cube cos inverse x cube. Now put cos inverse x cube is equal to a, and therefore this y is equal to cos, therefore cos a, this cos a is equal to x cube, and therefore y is equal to cos cube a is equal to x cube raised to 3 and is equal to x raised to 9. So this simplification you concentrate on this simplification. So that is equal to x raised to 9, and now differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to 9x raised to 8. Okay. Question number 10. Sine inverse root x raised to 4. Okay. Let y is equal to sine raised to 4 sine inverse root x. So put sine inverse root x is equal to a, and therefore now this is equal to sine a is equal to root x, and y is equal to sine a raised to 4 is equal to root x raised to 4 and is equal to x square. So y is equal to x square, and this you differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to d dx x square and is equal to 2x. Okay. Now go through these examples again so that you understand. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.